Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So I am here again with a video around the development, and it's around Moodle development you can say, but yes, it will also cover the normal PHP. You can use the same thing. In this video, you will learn how to export your Excel file, how to export the Excel file, in which you can also add the images, not just the content. Okay, you can see here the name, email, grade, and image. Okay, so John D is a name, Sony Smith. Then you can see some simple email ID and the image URL. Sorry, not the image URL. It's a path. Okay, so here I have the code. So under images I have created that two particular image that I am going to export in our Excel file. Before moving ahead, you will require a composer for this, and you will have to include here a vendor or to load.php. Okay, so in case you are using the normal PHP file, you don't need this above one. Okay, so I am using this in a Moodle, that's why I required this one. Okay, so now coming to this, how you will get this spreadsheet, PHP office spreadsheet, PHP spreadsheet. For that you will have to come here. You can see the composer.json you can create, okay, with the required this. Okay, so currently I am using this version, and yes, it is working perfectly fine, whatever code I have used for this purpose. Now coming to how you will get this auto load directory. Okay, so when vendor you will be required, then you will require this PHP office. Okay, and then PHP spreadsheet, this will be required. So you can install direct directly from composer. Okay, you can see here I have installed composer install. Okay, so once you create this composer.json, you'll know the steps how you can install this. Got it? So in case you just install a composer and you don't have this, in case you can use this command. Okay, let me try again using this. If I use this, let's see what it says. Okay, so nothing to install, update, or remove. Got it? Nothing to modify in log file. Got it? Because I already have this spreadsheet. Okay, in case you have no idea how to install composer, you can simply search on the web and you can try installing the same steps the given there. Now coming to the code, you will have to include these three traits. You will have to include this PHP office, spreadsheet, XLSX, and drawing for the image purpose. In case you are not using image in your Excel, you don't have to use this one. Okay, so I have an array here. In my case, this is just an array, and if you are using a data from any data source, then you can also use that in a for loop or any other loop. Got it? So this is my third one, two, three, four. The fourth array value you can see for each array. I have the image. For image, there is a function add image. It will take the worksheet, then the path and coordinates, and it will create like this. And add image function, I am using sheet image this. Okay, so it will be working perfectly fine. So image path, I am just assigning the fourth value of array that I can access with row 3. Okay, so now coming to test this code. So here local test one. Yes, this is my code directory. So if I press, you can see here it is downloaded. Got it? And yes, I can see the two images. Clear? So it is all up to you how you can use this. Got it? So in case you don't need this image URL, you can simply remove from here. Only the value will appear. So how you can do that? So in add image, you can see there's a function set image, set coordination. Well, now coming to the code again, you'll have this array. Either you can look through from your database. You can simply use one image, or then the get column letter for adding the value to the cell. Okay. So in case the fourth value of array is not required, you can simply continue here. Got it? So let me try here. If 3, continue. Clear? Because it is giving me the text also, the image path. I don't want that. So let me try this code whether it is working or not. Yes, it just give me that particular image, but I have added here the wrong code. Okay, so in case only the image is required, you can do like this. Let's check the value. Sorry, call index 3. Yes, it's still appearing. So you can also compare on the value. Let me try printing here first. Okay, so let me try printing what value is appearing here. Echo 3. So based on this, I will make on this. Yes, it is starting from 0, 0 to 3. So let's see how it comes. So refresh again. Again, the file will be downloaded. Yes, now you can see that particular value is gone, and you only have the image. So this is how you can do that. How you can customize this code. Okay. So in case the value you want, here you can see the image. Okay, and value not equal to image. So I don't want to skip the header, so that's why I will put the condition like this. Let me try again and see whether it is working like that or not. Yes, you can see the image header is coming and image is also coming. Okay, so this way you can adjust the setting as per your need, and you can see here it's height width for the 65 a 65 plus index, get column letter, it. So column index plus this, whatever is coming here, it will put in the next. Okay, so next column. Now add image function, you can check this one. You can also set the height width here. It is giving, it is taking the path here. It's a description here. It's a title. Got it? So please try this at your end and let me know in case you see any challenges. Yes, you will have the git URL in the video description. You can check the code. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.